In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can check or monitor your CPU temperature with MSI Afterburner. Without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, open up the MSI Afterburner, and from here, click on the gear icon. It's going to be totally different for different interfaces out there, but generally you want to look at the settings icon. Inside this page, click the on-screen display, and you want to make sure to set up your own hotkey, in my case to turn on the on-screen display that will basically show the CPU temperature is going to be control 0. Once again, you want to set this on your preferred hotkey. Click on the monitoring option, and then you want to make sure to enable the CPU temperature. So in our case, we want to scroll down until we look at the temperature itself. And in some cases, the CPU temperature will not appear on this section. So if that happens, you want to navigate through the three icons on the active hardware monitoring graphs, and then make sure that the CPU.dll is enabled. So this will show us some additional options, and that includes your CPU temperature. Now, it's really important to get the CPU temperature right because there's the CPU 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. You want to get the CPU temperature only without any numbers. Click on the Show in On-Screen Display. This will then show up Properties in OSD. That means that we have successfully set up our temperature for CPU. So once again, you can enable some things like the GPU temperature, GPU usage, and more. In my case, I have enabled the CPU temperature, and if we navigate through one of our games, enable it by using our setup hotkey, we can then see our temperature right here. So in my case, it's going to be this one, but I think it might have been glitched out because it's impossible to hit 206 Celsius on the CPU temperature. But of course, once again, you can edit this the way you want to. Maybe my MSI Afterburner needs a restart after. But of course, once again, just click on apply and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.